Hi everyone, my name is Marielle from Body Contour Studio and welcome back to my channel. So this channel is going to be all about the beauty and skin tightening treatments we can get to ourselves, and I'd honestly love it if you can like and subscribe and also write a comment below as to what videos you'd like me to produce. So for today's video, it's going to be about the double chin. Yes, it's a double chin. Mostly everyone suffers from it, whether you're a big or you're a small person. Everyone does have a double chin issue, mostly. And double chins happen because of a number of reasons. Number one, your anatomy. So it could be your mandibular bone isn't as prominent enough, which means that you could see any sort of like little bit of a skin or a little bit of fat. Second, of course, is the skin. So it will depend on your skin elasticity, whether or not you're a bit older, which then you will have a little bit of a jowling, and also your skin here will be dropping. The third one also will be the fat, the amount of fat you have in the skin, and this comes to play with your genetics. And even so with me, as you can see, I have a lot of mid fat right here, and honestly I have a bit of a double chin too because of that reason. So I'll be talking about the different treatments that Body Contour Studio offers, and then it will give you an idea of what you can do for yourself. So the first one is the face contour treatment. So the face contour treatment uses RF skin tightening, which is radio frequency skin tightening, to tighten and lift the skin on the face. It uses bulk heating technology, which then tightens and lifts the skin. Normally you see results, I would say roughly a week. So it is kind of a little bit of an instantaneous result. It gets better and better and better up to the 1 week mark. It's great to keep doing it every month or so just to keep up with it. It's great for someone who is younger and who doesn't really suffer from too much loose skin. So that's a great treatment for that. It can sharpen the jawline as well. It can contour the cheeks a little bit, but I won't say it fully reduces the double chin, no. So that's the face contour treatment. I'll be putting up some before and afters here so you can actually see how it is. Please be mindful that these before and afters are taken right after treatments, which means it can get better and better. So that's one of the most popular ones. But then we also have 4D HIFU. So 4D HIFU is great. I'm honestly obsessed with HIFU. And essentially what it is a high intensity infrared ultrasound technology that really tightens and lifts the skin, and it targets the SMAS layer. So the difference is RF skin tightening is very superficial layer of the skin, while the 4D HIFU goes right through the muscle layer, which is the SMAS layer of the skin. And honestly, it's great for really having a great lifting and tightening effect on the skin because it does target that SMAS layer. So for a really drastic result, I honestly recommend the 4D HIFU because of it. So with 4D HIFU, it uses that ultrasound technology which delivers that ultrasonic waves right down to your SMAS layer. Your face will then, or your body will then have to repair itself by increasing its collagen productions. So you do start seeing results, I would say in a week or so, but then final results don't show for the 3 week mark. But it is scientifically proven that it gets better and better up to the 6 month mark. That's why I love it so much. The duration of the treatment is honestly pretty quick, and also the amount of treatments you need will vary per person, of course. So if it's someone who does have a bit of loose skin, then maybe 1 or 2 treatments are enough. But of course, if someone who's on their 40s, 50s, 60s, who really want to tighten and lift the skin, then definitely you may need more than 1. It's best to speak to whoever's doing the treatment to really give you a more of an in-depth consultation. So the most popular treatment ever from Body Contour Studio is the facelift. So the facelift treatment combines both technologies. So it does do the 4D HIFU and also the RF skin tightening to really deliver that maximum effect. So it tightens the skin by increasing its collagen production. It's the same thing as 4D HIFU because it does use 4D HIFU. So what we do is do the RF skin tightening first, and then you come back to do the 4D HIFU. Then it combines both treatments to really give such a huge effect, and I'll put some photos up here, and honestly the results are amazing. Final results, as I said before, seen in 3 months, and it could get better up to 6 months. It does have drastic results. It sharpens the jawline, reduces the double chin, it really tightens and lifts the skin. You can even see their cheeks tightening up too, like their marionette lines here. Everything really does tighten up. It's great for anti-wrinkle and also all that as well. So if you have any questions, feel free to just comment below in the comment box and I'll definitely answer it. And thank you for watching. Bye.